Huwag yan na ko ikuan sa imo ko. Sa na gamiton mo na.
Boy, kaya na mo, mag-start na ko. Oo na.
Karang first time po kita ni Carl daw mo ko.
Okay na, sa lang. Oh, sir. Start na daw, sir. Start.
Oh, sige, start mo na si Manya. That's the next one.
So, may mga naman na pray. Wait na ko. So, can you read that of classroom rules?
Show respect, mind behavior, always be prepared, raise your hand to speak, take responsibility.
So, kinsay maka-recap sa atong last topic?
The evolution of time through evolutionary growth, 2 times arrow, 1 directional movement of time. So, may define. Asa define arrow? So, the second law of thermodynamics states that entropy increases over time. And the time arrow is movement, 1 directional movement of time towards the unknown future, and that's it.
Thank you. So, before ko mag-start sa kuha ng kanya ko activity. So, our activity is the coin toss. So, maghatag ko o coin. Then,
Hindi naman.
ano na?
Tapos,
Tapos, inyo na si Jackie shake for 4 times. Then one ang table. Dana? Dana class? So I have here the question. So kinsay maka-answer diri sa number 1 based sa atong activity sa kana. Kinsa maka-answer diri sa number 1?
And which outcome appeared most often? The outcome one of 2 heads and 2 tails appeared most often because it has the greatest number of possible microstates or arrangements.
Number 2. Okay, Kelly.
Which outcome appeared least often? The outcomes 4 heads and 4 tails appeared least often because each has only 1 possible arrangement.
How about number 3? Some outcomes are more probable because they have more possible microstates or arrangements. The greater the number of microstates, the greater the chance that the outcome will occur. This is why 2 heads and 2 tails is more common than 4 heads or 4 tails. Okay, so thank you, no? So based from our activity, no, what do you think is our topic for today? Anyone? Okay, Miss Yani
About the statistical interpretation of entropy and the second law of thermodynamics.
Yes, so thank you. So our topic for today is about statistical interpretation of entropy and the second law of thermodynamics. For our learning objectives, can you read one?
Learning objectives at the end of the lesson is learning to be able to first explain the statistical interpretation of entropy and the second law of thermodynamics. Second, relate the importance of probability.
Oh my energy.
Probability in explaining natural rate processes. At the end of the lesson, let's learn to be able to explain the statistical interpretation of entropy and the second law. Thermodynamics. Second one is appreciate the importance of probability and disordered explaining the natural processes. And the last one is isolate and use the Boltzmann entropy formula
energy spread out over time and becomes less available for useful work. So next is, what is entropy? Kindly read Rename.
Property of a system that measures in its degree of disorder, randomness, or the spread of its energy.
Okay, thank you. So when we say entropy is the property that tells how messy or random or spread out the energy is in a system. So the definition of the entropy in thermodynamics is can you read? Amen.
Thermodynamics is the measure of systems thermal energy per unit of temperature that cannot be converted into mechanical work. It is calculated as the heat transferred in a reversible process divided by the temperature.
So thank you. So entropy in thermodynamics is related to the transfer of heat over the temperature. So naka-remember pa matalino sa example ni Mr. Goldpig. Okay. Next, can you read Tia, please?
Statistical definition of Ulrich Boltzmann, 1844 to 1906, defines entropy based on number of possible microscopic arrangement or microstates that results in the same microscopic state.
Okay, so thank you. The statistical definition of entropy was first introduced by Ludwig Boltzmann in 1844 to 1906. He explains that entropy in terms of the probability and the particle arrangement. He also stated that the number of possible microscopic arrangement or the microstates that result in the same microscopic states. Next is we need to define the macrostate. So kindly read, Richard.
A macrostate describes the overall observable condition of the system. These are properties that can easily be measured such as temperature, pressure, volume, and number of heads, tails, and coin tossing.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. So when we say a microstate note, this is the overall observable condition in the system. Para sa atong activity ganina sa katong may kuan ang katong points. So ang atong macrostate dito is the number of heads and tails in coin tossing. So ang sa atong activity is di ba ang most kuan na to ato is ang katong two heads o two tails. So next is a microstate refers to the exact arrangement or position of all particles in a system. In coin tossing, sa atong activity na ito kanina, nga it represents the exact order of heads and tails nga ni-appear sa atong pagkuan sa kuan. Diba ang kuan? Ang atong activity kanina is ang atong microstate ato is katong na-ID tubag ni Miss Duyagit nga microstate na to is katong two heads and two tails nga ni-appear sa pagtos na to sa coin. Now, muni ang ganina. Now, for example, dili sa microstate na ang katong nag-toss ta og coin, then i-drop na to sa table, then the number of heads and the number of tails appears will be the microstates of this system. So, for example, nagbuwan na ta ani so bali ang gani nga table mo ni ang atong kani ang microstates ang nag-occur sa atong pagtoss. Then ang possible microstates or kanang kapila si John occur sa pagtoss nimo. Then dili ang kuan nato ang mas taas o possible nga mo-occur sa pag-toss nato sa katong coin is kaning two head and two tails. Here
Also,
as
kung macrostate, general,
yes, ang overall
specific.
the overall observation in a
cause to C. Diya kanina. Ang micro. 4 heads. Tapos kapila mo siya ng kuan, dali. 1, diba? 4. Ang 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then ang 2 heads o 2 tails, the number of microstates na nikuan niya is 6. Kay the possible microstates na mo appear sa atong pagkuha sa coin is 6. So the greater the number of tries, the closer the percentage are to being calculated. Sa kaning diri o. So the greater the number of tries na to sa atong pag-try sa pag-coin sa pag-toss sa coin, mas dako ang possibility nga daghan na gatong microstate nga makuha. For the probabilities of various macrostates for 100 coin tosses. So sa dire is if naatay 50 heads of 50 tails sa pag-toss nato sa coin, ang probability is dako jud siya, diba katong ganiha nga. The greater the number of tries, the closer the percentage are to being calculated. Ang sa dire percentage, diba dako ang kuan dire o. Diya ang mas high o kuan. Note that we see that as the number of coins increases, the probability of obtaining the most orderly arrangement or all heads or all tails becomes extremely unlikely. So dire nga, as the kaning from lowest sa atong pagkuan sa macrostate, nagtikataas ang possibility sa number of microstate. Dire. Then makita ninyo sa table ang ating atong i-compare gud ang 0 nga occur sa heads. Dire. Mas dako ang kuan diri sa 50 ang heads o 50 nga tails. So for example po is another example is kanang bitaw sa kanang makuan bitaw sa gas, the most probable state of a gas in a room. So dili sa figure A ngani, the most probable condition of molecular speeds in a gas is random ang iyang pag move sa ngani, bali dili siya kaayo taas ang iyang probability. Sa B is the distribution of speeds in which all molecules have nearly the same speed. So, di ba makuha na to nga bali same lang siya o pag-occur. So, the probability is according sa atong activity ganiha nga probability is directed related to the disorder and to the entropy. The most probable state is the one with the greatest entropy or the greatest disorder and randomness. Kind theory, isa sa basa.
In terms of probability, the second law of thermodynamics tells as entropy increases in a process, it leads to the statement that those processes are less probable.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Martian. So, the probability in terms of the second law of thermodynamics is if mo increase ang atong entropy, mas taas ang possible kuan nga taas po atong mga microstate ganiha. So the second law becomes a trivial statement. So when we say kanang trivial, it means that ang second law is mas dali na to siya ma-understand if mo kuanta sa kadto bitaw probability ganiha nga pagkuha sa macrostate o sa microstates. So, di ba ka remember mo ganiha sa akong slide nga ang Boltzmann entropy of equation. So naa si Jai formula. Can you read, Manel?
S equals K, S equals Boltzmann constant times natural logarithm raised to all raised times the number of possible microstates.
So, amo ni ang formula to calculate the entropy sa kang Boltzmann ha. So, ang kuan na to, interpretation sa pag-solving ato, as the number of the microstates increases, ang entropy, it also increases. So, the greater randomness means the greater entropy. So, ordered system have the lower entropy because they have fewer possible arrangements. The larger the number of microstates ganyan sa katong table, the smaller or the higher the entropy nga atong ma-calculate. Then kung smaller po, lower ang entropy nga ma-calculate. So atong gamiton ang formula ni Boltzmann. Minum ito. So, ang first step is to identify the number of the microstates. So, ang gani ano, maunit ka magkuha na to sa number of the microstates sa kuan. Then, substitute ang formula, then solve, o i-multiply. So, therefore, example. So, for example, is ang atong number of microstates in a system is ang kaning atong W na si Jai 16. So, atong i-formula. Then, ang akaling atong C, ang pila to ang value sa K? So, kaning T na to is constant na ni siya. Tapos, atong ikuan ang microstate that present in a system. So, bato nang i-substitute ang mga values. Tapos, ang una natong buhaton is angganisang natural logarithm. Then, makuha na to siya no sa kanabitaw sa cycle calculator na to. Diba ka na-in na to. Ito lang. Then, mauni siya. Ang first atong kuan is ganito na ay logarithm nga kuan. Formula. Ano sa atong i-calculate. So, makuha taong 2.773. Tapos, ang atong final answer sa kuan daw sa microstate daw ko nung 16 na ang entropy niya is 3.83 times 10 raised to the power of negative 23 joules per Kelvin. Okay, sa class?
Yes.
So, nakasamot lang mo sa akin, klase na to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nakasamot din mo lang ang questions. Isa mo answer. Isa man. Sa number 1. Based sa atong lessons, based sa lessons kanya, ang naminaw dito magtarong, answer mo. Isa mo answer sa first kuan. First question. Ikaw? Okay. Here is your question. What is the definition of entropy in terms of the probability?
Entropy is the measure of disorder, randomness, randomness, or the number of possible arrangements in a system. Systems naturally move toward a state with reduced probability because it has the larger number of microstates.
Yes, thank you, Michelle. About number 2, give you answer. Suyake?
What are macrostate and microstate? Ang macrostate is the large-scale observable condition of a system, like temperature or pressure. While ang microstate is the specific hidden arrangement of every individual molecule that creates the conditions.
So next, kita yung answer ane.
Entropy is equal to the Boltzmann constant times the natural logarithm and the possible number of microstates.
So, gagawin mo ito itong kuan. So, nakoy activity. Who wants to answer the problem number 1 and the problem number 2? Mr. Golpe? Dari atong ano? Atong formula. Atong kuan ano yung atong tawagan ni? Mga given o dalay given dire nga. In the box 14 ang atong microstate is kanina. Sige, number 1, no ay.
Sige, number 2.
Okay, number 2. Explain ha. Hindi may sa kuan.
Sila na kapalit?
No.
Meron na. Napay. Ari, Pia, Tani,
Tulo na naman ang
Waay,
sir.
Siko.
Tulo na naman ang
O, mga si Ari ko naman. Last na naman ka, Ron.
Last na po din yung
Minus.
kami may malaki na ang why so bisa kapag hindi nilaan na ang bakit sa mga
Oo, mag-imo kay student natin.
global war ay termo
Oo, consider. O may matematika, wala kuwan. Ha? Connected mo, aligned mo sila na.
iya ba yung tapos sa hindi din sa end of the year dapat ka ng theory
Gawang si... Ang heart? Dilipat mo? Ah, dito. Bibilan ko na yung itong buhay yan. Sharing of ideas, clashing.
Okay, say, mag-check diri sa answeran ni. Pasahon. So, explain na nga po ato kani. What na yung answer?
Sorry.
Okay, question. Sabi ka, Alberto. Okay, Pia.
Ask is lang.
Alberto. From the one, a box of gas. Listen sa mo. A box contains gas particles that can be arranged in 64 different microstates using the Boltzmann entropy formula. Determine the entropy of the system. So, ang given niya is ang iyang Boltzmann constant is 1.38 times 10 raised to the power of negative 23. Ang iyang microstate is 64. So, ang iyang formula ang gigamit is equal to entropy equals Boltzmann times natural logarithm times the microstate. So, din iyang i-substitute niya ang given. So, 1.38 times 10 raised to the power of negative 23 times the microstate, which is 64, and the result niya equals kasi natural logarithm times 64, so mali 64 ang the equals by kami multiply. Moni ang ako sa sabi na ako kani. The answer is 4.1589. So, the rate 1.38 times 10 raised to the power of negative times 4.1589. Ang iyang answer is 5.74 times 10 raised to the power of negative 23 joules per joule. Basta, kita yung nagawa. Para mag-explain ha. Step by step.
Ito sila yung given, i-repeat 1.38 times. So, the system has 8 possible microstates using the Boltzmann entropy formula. Use it to reveal the system. The given is Kelvin 1.38 times 10 to the power of
Sige, Ben. Ben na. Nakik-Ben. Ay. Wala namin na. Wala ka lang pinansin ka. Ang king, wala din dyan. Ay, wala namin pa. Wala namin na wa. Sige, pa na yun. Yeah.
Pero dyan na lang ka.
Ito na natin.
Karoon ka.
Yeah. Wala namin na wa.
So, nato tayo number of possible microstates is 8. So, ato nila i-substitute sa atong entropy. I-copy ang Sige ba na kayo, Juan? Given
times 8. So, equal daw rin sa cycle. Kami cycle calculator. So, ang gawin natin na cycle no, ang makuha natin ang answer is kani. 2.07. Na may in sa cycle. L din na.
Ano man? Kaya?
L din ni in.
Wala, L.
Good.
Mga ito natural law. L na, natural law.
So, pila man? Okay. So, pag nakuman, ato na ang substitution ang kuan sa n, which is ang kani. Tapos, ang makuha kong answer is, ano ni siya? Ang kanya na itong answer. Okay na? Yes. Wala ko yung questions. Okay. Based sa activity na to, kinsa maka-answer? Ako. Number 1. Jaira, ako na bang ka dyan? Basta sa question. Paki-louder ang question.
What happens to entropy as the number of microstates increases? So as the number of microstates increases, entropy also increases. Entropy also increases. This is shown in the Boltzmann entropy formula where entropy depends on the number of possible arrangements of a system. So S is equals to Boltzmann constant times natural logarithm times possible microstate. Since possible microstate becomes larger, the value of possible s becomes larger as well, meaning the system becomes more disordered. Agets kasi
Okay, for number 2, I want to answer si Miss Bundo. Okay, mura na sipon-sipon na doon niya. Okay, answer the question number 2.
Why are systems
Standard. Standard, please. Kinatandaan na kita kay si Bundo.
Miss pa.
my question 2, why are systems with many possible arrangements more probable? So, systems with many possible arrangements are more probable because there are more ways for them to exist in the state. In statistical terms, a state with higher WHAS, W-H-A-S. W, ayun.
Sa man ang W? Sa man ang... Kahit sa kabalyo.
Actual microstate. W nga.
Na? Naasa? Naasa sa man?
Has more microstates, so it is likely to occur compared to states with fewer arrangements.
So number 3.
Ako po, ma'am.
Okay.
How does this problem relate to the increase of disorder in nature? This problem shows that systems naturally move toward higher entropy, greater disorder, because those states have more possible microstates. Over time, nature favors this high probability disorder state, which explains why processes like mixing, spreading, and breaking happen spontaneously.
Can you read? Statistical conservation of entropy, and the second law of thermodynamics can be seen clearly in everyday life because both explain why natural processes tend to move toward greater disorder and higher probability states.
Yes. So the second law of thermodynamics, no, it can also be seen sa atong daily life. For example, is kana bitaw. Sa kadtong nga ay ang ice na mumelt sa tubig. The water molecules spread out and mix with the with this happens because the liquid state has many more possible molecular arrangement or katong na ay microstates. So, ang entropy is decreased. May itong ganina nga, the higher the microstate,
Higher than.
yes. Okay. Nakay question din eh, kisay mga tubagan niyo. In what way can the spreading of perfume be explained using the statistical interpretation of entropy? Isa man. Iya?
So the spreading of perfume can be explained by statistical description of entropy because perfume move from a concentrated state to a more disordered and probable state with one possible method.
Okay, so thank you, no? So, the spreading of perfume happens because the random motion of air molecules causes the perfume particles to continuously spread until they evenly distributed through the room. So, the increasing entropy in line with the second law of thermodynamics. So, let's get a part 1/4.
Malamig ang tema.
Right? Bakit? Hindi pa na siya. Sige na, papel!
Ano ma'am?
Iwan!
Mag-answer namin ma'am.
Papel, 1/4.
Ano ma'am? Number 1.
1/4. Wala pa na siya. Oh, number 1. Ano naka-answer mo mo?
Number 1 na gani.
Telepathy.
Number 1 na tago.
Answer.
Answer on your own? Or answer ko ay? Okay. Number 2 ma'am.
Number 2. 3.
Four, ma'am.
4. Number 5. Ito ba maka-answer sa number 1? Oh, read and answer. Sige, Miss Lumanda. Read and answer.
What does entropy measures? B, disorder. A, energy. B, disorder. C, mass. D, pressure. D, disorder.
Ako number 3. For number 2, ako, Yuan.
Which macrostate is probable and caused by
Probable.
Probable.
C.
Ako number 3. Okay, for number 3.
According to rules that statistical interpretation of
See?
Albert Einstein.
See? Sino answer? Sir ka?
Oo.
Number 5, Mark John. Read the answer.
According to the second law, the economic of thermodynamics, entropy is the relativity system tends to A decrease, B remain constant, C increase, D disappear.
Ha?
Decrease
Ano
pa.
may increase man? Ano man? Mas na ako explain yung mga tubag. Ay, naman. Naminaw ka. Puro ka ba kasi yung tubag? Tapos ba? Stand earth. Isay mo, basta sa ako, langit na. Umisa. Explain.
Conclusion.
No. So, ubusin mo na sa tanan.
Entropy is a measure of disorder in the number of possible arrangements, microstates, that a system can have. From a statistical perspective, systems naturally move toward
Sige, ayun.
states with a greater number of microstates because these states are more probable as a result. As a result, organized systems tend to become more disordered over time.
Sa kanaya
The second law of thermodynamics supports this concept by stating that the total entropy of an isolated system always increases or remains constant. In simple terms, energy naturally spreads out and becomes less available for useful work.
Okay, that's na ang atong
Yes.
starting for Sure?
Yes,
Mama. Sure? Sure na. Now a question. Kia, don't use your phone. Okay, stand Makakaroon ka, pila na ito ito, ibalik-balik. Kia. Kung naminaw ka, kinsa ang nag-introduce man. Full name, I want the full name. With year.
Oh, with year?
With year.
Ludwig Guzman.
Ano ka?
1988 to 1906.
Kung sa may answer nila? Wala pa naminaw ka, hindi ka rin ito balik-balik ba?
Introduced because of constant times natural logarithm times number of possible numbers.
Miss Yuan, kung saan sa formula?
Kelvin.
Kung saan man ang pila ang constant?
1.89333.
Balik na.
Yes.
Ilan na yung gusto niya? Fix, constant.
Okay, so not assignment. Kindly read.
For your assignment, you are required to conduct an advanced
No,
study
come
on
on.
pollution and global warming.
Detro. Dapat tungan. Dili kasi silong kay murag bata. Wala.
For your assignment,
For your
count
assignment.
You are required to conduct an advanced study on thermal pollution and global warming.
Advance study ako. Anong kayo?
Ang investigation ng Bulaya na.
Iya ha.
Nagklase mo?
Sir!
Nag-demo mo? Sige, sa ako mo na.